Yeyi, kuyakunetima lapha eNigeria nathi indoda emnanzi, but-ke sakuqala lakhaya eSwatini. Libito lami ngisihle ngakamaseko ngoba labanye babese bathi abasangathi. Sibone iMonene Pirates babhatisa iBhabane Swallows 3-1. Sabona iMbabane Highlanders leli viki ibulala eMathole Ezinyathi iYoung Buffaloes 2-0. Angingasolo ngichubeka nalamanye ama-games but nje ngicuka ngaloko ukuthi iMbabane Swallows, iMonene Pirates idlale kahle against iMbabane Swallows, iMbabane Highlanders idlale kahle against Young Buffaloes. Then i-Royal Leopard iyachubeka ikhombisa ukuba strong ukuthi ihamba nayo le league. NeSengizeng is trying to close the gap at the top. Lokho ukuthi itawubonakala. Sisenang staph nje sibili taka Premier League. Siyabona Coach Milton Dlamini Sihlangu i-National Football Association iyamfuna ukuthi kube nguye assistant coach wa-coach coach we-national team. Lokusho ukuthi sizabona ama-changes after coach amrecommende ukuthi kube nguye assistant coach wakhe. Milton Dlamini siyazi ukuthi wakhosha i-Manzini Wanderers, iMbabane Highlanders, iMbombela United, iThanda Royal Zulu, amongst others. neBaroka wayikhosha, iMbombela United, Free State Stars, Platinum Stars eSouth Africa, but nje i-trade yakhe kakhulu ibese-South Africa kakhulu. Then-ke siphinde sibile ku-Premier League siyawubona kule weekend kuma-holder Good Friday. Ma-Stars siyabona Sibashini United idlala neSisonke i-Prince of Wales. iMbabane Highlanders ihosta i-Illovo eMkhuzweni. Emavuso i-Royal Leopard, i-Army Forces Derby. i-Royal Leopard ihosta i-Young Buffaloes emavuso. EMayaluka iMbabane Swallows ihosta i-Rangers. iMadlenya ihosta idlala against iMonene Pirates eSimunye Stadium. iSengizini idlala neZulwini United. eMhlume Stadium Manzini Seabirds iyodlala neGreen Mamba. Lapho kutabe kuhamba kanjalo kuma-Stars, siyathemba ukuthi ama-Stars zitawuhamba kahle. Then-ke sibone ku-attach-wa imoto ema-movable items a-PLE noma Football Association, a-attach-wa i-Sheriff ukuthi abhadale ama-legal cost eMzini Wanderers ngoba bekusoloko kunama-court cases. After iluze-ke sesiyabona ukuthi kuyaqala-ke nyalo ukuthi kuyahlukaniswa umngane nenja. Asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-PLE, but nje kuyathathwa sibonile banele manager wa-PLE abaleka. So tonke leti sithathe eSwatini Observer because solo siyalandzela lama-cases ayalandzela, but nje sibonile ukuthi imoto bese ibalekiswa wara kuthiwa bese ibalekiswa ku-Observer ukuthi inga-attach-wa. Then-ke sibonile ukuthi iManzini Wanderers ngoba iphethe i-court order phins ukuthi kunekwenteka chairman waka-PLE abe senkingeni. Babe Samora Simelane bana-CEO we-Football Association Mr. Frederick Mgomedduli. Sazi ukuthi batawoneka kanjani but nje nganalo futhi esihloniphe because nayo iManzini Wanderers ayidlali, sitawubona khona. Sisuke lapho-ke bese sibheka e-South Africa lapho khona sibona i-Orlando Pirates ikhombisa ukucinsa sandla because coach Rivero, this is his last season and coach Rivero nyalo usuyodlala i-final. Kusukela afika wadlale onke ama-finals e-Nedbank Cup ne-MTN 8 Cup. i-MTN 8 Cup ama-finals awadlalile wancobe onke. Nedbank Cup we are yet to see, sitawubona 10 May ukuthi kuhamba kanjani, but nje uyodlala yona i-final nyalo and he is going to play against Kaizer Chiefs. Amakhosi ajabulile i-Kaizer Chiefs ishaya nesekhaya i-Mamelodi Sundowns the past weekend. Siyabona lo ukuthi Nabi is cooking, is really cooking. Sesawubona ukuthi who is the cooker between the two because Cardoso bamshayile ku-Sundowns and-ke wablame ama-offside wathi and aside because Sundowns have been benefiting from this. Sekuthi nje nakungabhekiswanga kuwe, lesipuna singabhekiswanga kuwe uva buhlungu but nasibhekiswanga kuwe uyadla ujabule. So we'll see ukuthi kwenzakalani khona. Sichubeke-ke sihambe siye eGerman sibone igame lenkulu eGerman. I-Dortmund idlala against i-Bayern Munich. Lapho-ke i-Bayern Munich idrawise i-Dortmund khona. Saphinde ama-game nje labe exciting sibone ne-Chelsea idrawisa i-Ipswich United, Ipswich Town. Ipswich this season asathi because it's fighting for the relegation but nje lesikwaziyo ukuthi it's 34 points Chelsea. I-Ipswich nje nange-team lehlulekile kudla i-Ipswich le season is Chelsea. Kuyinyenti lebonakalako vele ukuthi hhayi no kuyakhama igame ishinje ku-2 not. Kuyaciswa lokuthi nangu then-ke it was a game of halves kahle kahle ukuthi first half i-Ipswich ikolile 2 goals yabuya-ke i-Chelsea yadrawisa ke nawo. Siyayibona i-Napoli Conte kunendlela yendawo even though sisangekho angasi-number 1 sibamshiya nga-3 points I think-ke so uthatha i-justify uthatha ibambela yena ukuthi ashaye yona le Inter. Then-ke sibona i-Real Madrid Mbappe the red card-ke ashaya ama-tackle angathi noma ngawuthi i-tackle noma deliberately noma yini but nje lakwendile akusiko. I-Real Madrid igcine iwina 1 not kule game leyo-ke. Then-ke angathi noma sisale sikhuluma nge-Manchester United angiva ngathi sesikhulume kakhulu ngayo but nje bayishayile nayo over the weekend 4-1 but-ke akusajabulisi even nalabo labangasayifevi i-Manchester United labangayifevi i-Manchester United labafeva bo-Liverpool, bo-Arsenal, all the other teams, bo-Manchester City akusajabulisi lokho because uhleka because i-Manchester United njenyalo inumber 14 kune-Everton at the top. Okusho ukuthi umgico this season i-relegation but nje asathi sitabona ukuthi batawurelegate noma but I don't think ukuthi batawurelegate ngeke i-team nge-Manchester United i-relegate because sesibonile nalaba abafeva i-Manchester United nyalo sebabhizi kakhulu sebaphosta kakhulu nge-Madrid sebafeva i-Madrid iningi labo nje sebafeva i-Madrid i-energy yabo sebayifeva i-Madrid nyalo-ke ngoba kuwine i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs sebagcwele lapho-ke sebama-refugees lapho-ke in actual fact yathi le pain ukuthi solo ba-avoid-a ini it's just coping mechanism nje nabo esathini. Then another thing Mourinho uyachubeka uyawina ku-Fenerbahce hhayi ubuya naye engathi uzama kwenana kulo kwentiwa nge-Slot England tata usuke akwente e-Slot England ukuthi ayiwine in his first season but kasathi because Arsenal idrawile kepha this weekend unfortunately ingede liphoyili kuma-point ayo but the gap yachubeka yavuleka okusho ukuthi but the title race is on because isengadliwa onke lama-games Arsenal iwine onke ama-games then-ke iwine i-league but i-Liverpool kuthiwa nyalo bathi i-maths abathi kubala bathi futhi iwine 2 games i-Liverpool then it's done with the league lokhu lama-games asele asathi but-ke esisho ngawo ukuthi isengadliwa onke i-Liverpool i-Arsenal iwine wonke so the title race is still on. then sibone i-backlash ya-Onana na-Coach Amorim. Coach Amorim uthi unikete Onana isikhathi ukuthi abe away from the team, abe away from the football game. But after the game, after the 4-1 lose against Newcastle, uyaphosta Onana uthi ngabe ngiyalokhu awublame abani, who to blame. So lokho ukuthi akusiko lokhu lokukhuluma kwabo akusiko akuhambanga kahle. But nje there are two exciting games tonight. The kings of comebacks, that is Real Madrid, is going to play against the Gunners of London, i-Arsenal. So sitawubona khona ukuthi kuyahamba kanjani. Then-ke sibone i-Inter idlala ne-Bayern. Kune-history in this competition because they are now i-Real Madrid iwinile i-Champions League. I-Aston Villa yake yayiwina i-Champions League. Okay, ngizama ukusho nje ukuthi eMunich uvamise ukuwina i-team lengakake yadlala, lengakake yayiwina i-Champions League. So ema-team lesiwatiwo langake awina i-Champions League nje, everyone la yatiwo i-PSG ayikazange seyiwine i-Champions League. Then-ke ne-Arsenal kuyatiwa nje ukuthi i-Arsenal ayizange seyiwine i-Champions League, kude longathi Nelson Eliade. Then-ke kuthiwa kunekwenteka sibe nema-new champions labo bamle bacala ukuwina i-league. And i-Arsenal siyayibona ukuthi iqinisile kuwina 2 wetinkomishi this season. It's going for the league, it's going for the Champions League. They are trying to balance. I know they are trying to balance. So i-Arsenal ibhalansile ukuthi indoda ihambe kanjani kulokhisana ukuthi bakhompithe ku-league na-Champions League. Great news for Liverpool. Everyone besathi ndandanyana. Mohamed Salah finally renew pen down a contract of 2 years. When the extension at 2 years. Now whatever everything that is coming. Then Virgil van Dijk is going to pen and 2 years, maybe 2 years, at least 2 years. We are confident on that. Then it's a wait and see on Trent Alexander-Arnold. Ukuthi kambe utawushintsha umcondo ayithathe le offer lebezevele bekiwe. Then-ke we're going to expect in the summer signings, we expect Man U to be looking for a goalkeeper. Onana vele I don't think ukuthi abe akhona ku-Manchester United next season. Darwin Núñez angiboni ukuthi utaba khona ku-Liverpool next season. I think anginayimishe lapho-ke but nje lebasho lapho. Then-ke it's a wait and see ku-Sancho ku-Chelsea ku-Chelsea ukuthi yenda njani, ukuthi yona iyamsayina Sancho or ayimsayini. But nje Manchester United ithole imali whether is payment deal or what, ithole imali i-Manchester United. Then-ke Sterling will be playing for uyabuyela ku-Chelsea. Angingathi now uyabuyela ku-Chelsea next season. Uyabuyela ku-Chelsea nayiphela in the end of the season now. So ngoba i-Arsenal angeke imsayine on a permanent basis, vele kunjalo. So angeke ngente ama-predictions this week, but nje lesinako ama-games la-exciting lesitawabukela this week lesinawo. Tonight kune-game i-Newcastle versus Crystal Palace etabayidlala tonight, even though sathi ukuthi kune-Champions League. So if ade abakhuludi ku-Champions League, uyabona. Then ama-Easters atawahamba mnanzi. I-Brighton itabidlala ne-Brentford, i-Crystal Palace iphinde idlala ne-Bournemouth, i-Everton idlala ne-Manchester City, i-West Ham idlala ne-Southampton, i-Aston Villa ne-Newcastle, i-Chelsea kanye ne-Fulham, i-London Derby, i-Ipswich lena le-Gilsech lephose lebambe indawo ne-Chelsea ngabhongwane. Idlala ne-Arsenal, is hosting Arsenal. Manchester United idlala against ama-Wolves, ema-relegation candidates oyi-2 lawa. Then e-King Power Stadium, i-Leicester City is hosting i-Liverpool. Monday Night Football, i-Tottenham idlala ne-Nottingham Forest. So Tuesday next week siyabona i-Manchester City ihosta i-Aston Villa. And then Wednesday next week sitawuphinde sibone i-Arsenal ihosta i-Crystal Palace. So nyalo sengumgico vele. Then-ke siye sibuke i-La Liga. Sibuke i-La Liga Friday, i-Espanyol ihosta i-Getafe. I-Barcelona itawuhosta i-Celta Vigo Saturday. Just to name a few. I-Madrid itawudlala ne-Athletic Club Sunday. Itabe seyadifeitha yayo. Then Tuesday i-Barcelona idlala ne-Mallorca. So itabe sekwadiwa ukuthi kuyabani final noma kanjani. Then-ke e-German itabe kubulalana kune-game nje itabe exciting. I-St. Pauli itabe idlala ne-Leverkusen. Just to name a few. Ngichubeke siye ku-Serie A because i-Serie A seyiqalile kahle kahle kade yaqala i-exciting. Sitawubona i-Roma idlala ne-Verona. I-Inter idlala ne-Bologna. It's a game to watch. Those laba abayibukelako baboyibukele bathandi bebhola baboyibukela, nami ngizabe ngiyibukela-ke le. Exciting. Then entsambama sitawubona i-AC Milan idlala ne-Atalanta. It's a game to watch nayo leyo-ke. Kutawubonakala khona ukuthi kuhamba njani. Ku-League One it's like the title race is over because i-PSG le gap levule ngayo, and it's time for Enrique ukuthi akhone ukudlalisa ama-fresh players or azame nje ukuthi i-Champions League nyalo yena nje udlale kahle i-Champions League. Now it's time for him ukuthi anikeze some players ama-minutes lapha nalapha. But then we hope next week utababuyile umnakethu SBP sitawuzama ukuthi si-unpack a lot of things. I think inyalo sesitawukhona ukuthi sikhave length, sibe nama-conversation about a lot of things, and sitawuzama ukuthi kuthola nelithuba ukuthi sizame ukufungatha Emangweni Wanderers sikhulume nayo or sikhulume na-P_L_E nayo ukuthi kuhamba njani. But nje it's hard ukubathola. Asathi ukuthi kubaluleke kanti asathi ukuthi abasinike ngani attention noma-ke basengasisathi serious. Siyabona khona. Sitawubona next week. See you next week.